Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you English vocabulary and grammar, Urdu explanation with two words used in a sentence and parts of speech, adjective and adverb. So listen to me carefully. How to pronounce this word angry? Number 5. Angry in Urdu naraz. How would it be used in a sentence? Angry. He was angry at his friend. In Urdu, वो अपने दोस्त से नाराज था. How to pronounce this word? Help. Number 6. Help in Urdu madad. How would it be used in a sentence? Help. Can you help me please? In Urdu क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? What is adjective? Adjective definition. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun by providing more information about its qualities, characteristic or attributes. Examples: number 1, he is a tall boy. Number 2, the red apple is tasty. Number 3, she wore a beautiful dress. What is adverb? Adverb definition. An adverb describes a verb, adjective and another adverb. Examples: number 1, he runs quickly. Number 2, she sings very well. Number 3, they arrived yesterday. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you please subscribe our channel for more contents.